Good evening, MW family members, the followers, our audience. A warm welcome once again on Friday Threes Instagram Live Threes by Mommy's World for you and me, exclusively for mompreneurs and the small scale business owners. We are promoting a few mompreneurs and small scale entrepreneurs here in these series so that they can reach to mass audience, they can convey their message, they can build their business and can actually reach the way in this online world everybody is doing well. So there are times when these guys are doing fabulous but not able to reach to so many people, and that's the reason we have decided to promote these guys not only in Mommy's World community but on our Instagram, on our WhatsApp, on our YouTube channel, and wherever we can, because that is the way you can empower each other. So we are taking live series one by one with lot many moms, and we are super glad to see that the response has been really amazing. We are booked for August, September, October, and not to forget that these moms are literally doing their homework very well. So today when we are discussing about this pandemic, everybody wants to do something or other, and we are really making it possible for them to give them the ideas, the counseling sessions, and some motivational business articles probably they can read and find out how they can do well in their business. So today once again we have a mother who have recently started her journey, started living her dream. She had this dream that she will be having her school, a preschool, and this dream she really wanted it to happen in this 2020, but unfortunately the period is not so good, and offline activities, the physical locations, the physical things what we have decided didn't happen. So tonight when we have our another mother who has a decade of experience as a teacher, now she's all set to start her journey as an owner, as a founder of Kiddies on Toes. We are welcoming Jia Gyanchandani today, and she is going to share all the secrets, little secrets, what we seek from everyone, because in this world everybody is trying to rise up and high, and there can be nothing good if we try to give our support and share a bit of our secrets with them, and this can be their I think Gia is sending us a request to join in the video. I would want her to join us about her background and how she decided to be on this platform, Mommy's World, how she decided to share her journey, and about Kiddies on Toes, where she will tell us the requirements of the kids, how preschool owners can start their online work through her journey. So yes, Gia, I can't see you. We are waiting for her to join. She has accepted. But yes. Hi Gia, I can see you now.
Yeah, hi Shaluji, good evening. How are you?
I am all good, and congratulations for launching your Kiddies on Toes. Your long last
Thank
dream
you so much.
finally happening. So
Yes,
we would want
and
to,
I'm
Gia,
very,
yes, so we would like to start with, first of all, with your experience as a mother. You definitely not had just one dream. So this must be one of your dreams which you're working on today. So how about your experience? What experience all you have?
okay. So let me give a brief introduction about myself. I'm into this noble profession of teaching since from last, you can say a decade, more than decade itself, 10 to 14 years. I'm pursuing this noble profession. And the day when I opted for this course, which is very much necessary to start a preschool or to opt for a teacher's job, that is early childhood care and education, then I had
Hmm.
no idea that I would come this way long. So when I
Hmm.
opted for a preschool teacher job, so slowly and gradually I started connecting to kids. I started
Hmm.
getting appreciation from the parents. I earned goodwill for myself. So there at the back of mind, I started feeling no, I connect very well with the kids and I gel
Hmm.
along with them very well. So that day
Hmm.
itself, the seed was sown that somehow, someday, I had have to start my own preschool. So that day seed was sown. And as we all are aware, this lockdown has knocked all most of us down, and even I was
Hmm.
feeling very low at time. So I was just worrying, like, now how to turn my dream into reality. But
Hmm.
I didn't waste my time. And of course, thanks to you, Shaluji, you pushed me.
Super. Sorry.
Technical glitches. Yeah.
Yeah. So you pushed me to start my own story session. So I just gave it a thought. Then if I'm starting my story session page, so why not to start a preschool itself? Why should I
Hmm.
stop myself for imparting knowledge to kids when I am already connected to kids? And I should take it as an opportunity. Why should I
Right.
like feel sorrow कि नहीं मेरा एक साल waste हो गया? So let's grab the opportunity. So that fine
Hmm.
day that Kiddies on Tour came into existence, and the journey has been a roller coaster ride from being a preschool teacher to a founder of Kiddies and Tours. But here I am now in front of you, founder of Kiddies on Tours. So that way it happened. And I must tell
So
you,
I
it's
guess
the first kind of preschool which has come into existence directly online rather than starting
yeah.
physically. It's very
Yes, I
first
was
kind
more
of
excited
preschool.
to know about the concept what you're launching because when you say preschool which is online, this is a concept which I guess not everyone has in mind because parents nowadays think this pandemic is going on, so routine schools are actually not working, colleges are closed, and बच्चे जो छोटे हैं, toddlers जो घर पे हैं, age 2 years, 2.5 years, they are very hyperactive. I mean, when we talk about एक घर में अगर सिर्फ एक ही बच्चा है तो हम कहते हैं वही बहुत है because it's difficult to handle them. Why? Because it's difficult to engage them. In that scene, if you are launching this concept, online preschool, I guess this will be a blessing for all the parents and they will not miss this period of preschooling because of kiddies on tour.
Yes.
So, okay. I would want to know what are the basic things you thought of before starting this online schooling? Because when we talk about preschool, there is an infrastructure, the license and everything takes place. So, what were the basic things you had in mind starting for this online school? So we think that Gia has some network issues, and that is why the session is going slowly, slowly. We'll take things one by one. So let us have the answers. Yeah, I handled that because of network problems, so no problem. The question is same. So
I can't
what
hear
are
you,
the
Shaluji.
requirements? You can't hear me?
I'm not able to hear you.
Can anybody confirm if they can hear me or not? Our viewers who are watching, I would request if you can confirm if you're able to hear me. Yes, so they are saying they're not able to hear you, Jia. You able to hear me, Jia? Able to hear me? Your voice not coming again. I am audible. You are not. Yes, you are not audible. Now,
Oh,
yes, now we can
now?
hear you. Yes. Thank you so
Okay.
much coming back. Yes. Tell. Go on, Jia.
Yes, I was not able to hear you in between. Contact was lost actually, so I couldn't hear what you said or what you asked me.
I
Can
just
you
wanted
repeat
to
it,
know the
please?
basic. Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so just wanted to know the basic requirements you thought of this online school, because for offline school we have this license and the infrastructure, the staff are basic requirements. So what do you think are the basic things for online preschool when we want to join? We want to start, I
Okay.
mean.
Yes, sure. So as we all know, if we start to school physically, so first place is we need place, we need funds, we need proper infrastructure, we need staff, and we do need proper certification. You should be
Hmm.
ECCA certificate. ECCA is Early Childhood Education and Care. You need to have that certificate. Without that, you cannot open your preschool, whether it is online or offline. And also there needs to be some business plan. So like any random person cannot open preschool like that only. There needs to be some
Hmm.
specific plan, and of course there needs to be follow a specific curriculum. I'm not talking about any formal curriculum, but there is an informal curriculum which we need to follow. But if we see
Right.
for online preschool, so you
Hmm.
just need to have a basic planning how you're going to go about it. You
Hmm.
need to have proper curriculum, but and
Right.
funds also, of course. But if we
Hmm.
see the staff part and infrastructure, so that is not needed only, because staff
Hmm.
we need physically. And if we are starting online, staff part is excluded. But yes, license and proper registration with the education authorities is also needed. So same way
Hmm.
it goes, like we start school physically, but the staff and infrastructure part is excluded while we start school online. Rest all things would be same.
So what do you suggest if any random mother sitting just at home and a graduate mom, you think that she should do this first course you're talking about, and then she should start
Yes.
thinking about the opening of preschool? That would make things easier.
Yeah, actually now if we see, earlier we didn't have these facilities like to do course online, but this early
Yeah.
childhood care and education course is now available online also. So if any mother is not able to step out of her home, so she can just choose any institution which are allowing to do online course, and she can easily do it sitting at home and looking after her family. So basically it's a 1 year's course, but if any mother is wishing to do it online, she can complete in just 6 months of tenure.
How
So,
long the
it has
this
become
course
very
is?
easy.
How long
It's,
the duration is of this course?
it's 1 year.
Acha, it's
One
one
year.
year course. Okay, great.
Yes.
Okay, so
But if we are doing it, yes.
no, please tell
But
me.
if we are doing it correspondence or by sitting
Hmm.
at home, so it's up to the mother or a person how soon she or he can finish it. Like we can just finish it in 6 months time also.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So what I think that basic knowledge to reach with the basic knowledge of understanding the kids' need, that is more important, because a teacher only can gel with kid only when they have that connection, that special connection.
Right.
And thankfully, you were able to build that. I have seen your videos on Facebook, which you have been promoting. And this says a lot, because you have a good experience, about 14 years experience, what you're saying. So what are the other things the teacher should look for when they want this, in the connection with the kid, how they can engage the kids online? What do you think that they should be doing?
Okay. So as you said, connection with kids is the most important thing we need to build.
Hmm.
Like if we are sitting in school physically, it takes time. It takes lots of time to connect with the kids, because every kid is different. Every kid has different thinking ability. Every kid's choice is different. So you need to build that rapport first. You need to connect with them one to one. Like if
Right.
one child is liking the story, other one won't like it. So
Yes.
you have to, yes, you have to involve everyone. You cannot involve everyone at a time. So you have to build that rapport, or like आपको ऐसा connection बनाना पड़ता है child से, so
The
that
interest
they
we have to bring in
come
their
out of.
kids.
Yes, yes. I mean, it's not, no offense to everyone, but it's not everyone's cup of tea. It
Right.
requires
That's right.
lots of patience. Yeah, being mothers, we know it requires lots of patience. And we need to be very calm. Sometimes they can throw tantrums also, and we should always be prepared to hear them out. Because, as
Right.
I said, every kid is different. So the
Right.
choice also be different, and we should be able to hear them out. We cannot ignore them. First thing, we have to keep this in mind कि एक सिंपल से सिंपल क्वेश्चन जो भी होगा चाइल्ड का, we have to answer that, and that
Right.
also very patiently, very calmly. And even toddlers cannot sit for more than 15 minutes. Yes, so we need to think of the activities in which we can engage them. Like अगर आप एक simple सी story आप start करोगे, okay, once there was a crow, he was flying and all, तो शायद मैं भी भाग जाऊंगी. But same story, if you'll put them in front of, like, let me say that thirsty crow story, as we all are aware about that story. So let me put in this. एक कौवा प्यासा था, जब में थोड़ा पानी था, कौवा डाला कंकड़, पानी आया ऊपर, कौवा पिया पानी, हो गई कहानी, होशियार कौवे की, हो गई कहानी, हो
Awesome.
गई कहानी. So, this sounds little bit interesting for them. So the second important thing is to keep them glued to you,
Yeah.
so that at least for 15 minutes of session, they would stick to you. So this was
Right.
like one example I gave you. And you have to think of various different form of free plays. What is free play? Like, as and when the kid will come to school physically, so we can give them some toys like blocks दे दिए, या तो कुछ zip दे दिया, बटनिंग दे दिया, क्योंकि kids have this tendency कि एक चीज के साथ वो ज्यादा देर नहीं बैठ सकते. They
Right.
move on to other things. So slowly and gradually we have to build that interest in them कि नहीं, मुझे इसमें मजा आ रहा है. अब what next? अभी अगर आप उसको बच्चों को बोलेंगे okay kids, this is a square, it has 4 sides, तो वो बोलेगा ये तो मेरे काम का ही नहीं है, and this is not attracting me or appealing to me. Sorry. So the same thing, if you say, I am a square, I am a square, I have 4 sides, I have 4 sides, I have 4 corners, I have 4 corners, I am a square, I
Right.
am a square.
This
So,
brings a smile
I
on my face. So of course I understand that you gel with kids very easily.
Thank you. So I just want to say कि you have to keep your any activity, let it be fine motor skills or art and craft or stories, or if you're teaching numbers, so you have to keep it interesting so the session will go on and on and on. And once, if the child is building connection with the teacher, so nothing like it. If mother is showing them videos on YouTube, so what they have to see, they are seeing everyday different faces. But if they are watching the videos of the same teacher and with the interesting themes, so definitely they are going to glue to their place for sure.
Right. I guess these are the basic things which we parents sometimes don't understand, and probably we cannot jot it down at one place. And that is why you teachers come in the picture. And there your experience talk about 14 years when you say that you have a good connection with kids and you already have started receiving the request for the admissions of your preschool and all this thing. So do you have any activities to show or to tell to the parents where they can engage their kids for some time?
Yes, sure. As I've started my school online Kiddies on Tours on Facebook
Hmm.
few months back, so I keep on posting videos there also. So
Hmm.
I'll share the link with all of you. Like they can visit my page on Instagram also, Facebook and YouTube, and can engage their kids with my activities. But here, I'll just give you this, like what mothers can do with their child at home. So just these are the ice cream sticks. These are simple
Yeah.
ice cream sticks for all of us, if you'll see. But if you'll give this to your child or any toddler, say, so they will be definitely attracted by it. You see the color?
Yeah.
Are you able to see different colors?
Right.
So
Yeah.
what
Yeah. Yeah.
I have made few shapes on these ice cream sticks. So
Okay.
what a child has to do, I'll show you. What child has to do, they just have to pick a random ice cream stick. Like
Hmm.
one child has picked up this one, so they have
Hmm.
to search for the other part. So, and the kids are very smart. Definitely, I'm sure they can do it. So if you'll join, so what you can see, Shaluji, can you tell me?
No, I'm not going to tell you because I'm talking to a teacher. So your viewers have so many questions. I'm reading them. So I'll be reading the questions to you once you give me
No,
this
no.
example, one of the things.
Uh,
Which is
okay, it's a
shape.
shape
Yeah.
basically, if you'll see.
Which shape?
Yes. So, like, rather than teaching them monotonously, as I said, कि it's a square, it's a diamond. So let's do it in a very fun way. So
Yeah.
they are learning to solve a puzzle. If you see, they have solved a puzzle already, and
Yeah.
they have learned a new shape. They have learned to do the matching, and they
Right.
have learned the color also.
Yeah.
So so many things they are learning, and if you consider fine motor skills, their bilateral coordination is developing. So let
Hmm.
me tell, if you all don't know what is bilateral coordination. So bilateral
Hmm.
coordination is like one part of the body is knowing
Hmm.
what the other part of the body is doing, because
Right.
we need both the hands while holding these ice cream sticks. Yes,
Hmm.
so you are using both the hands, so it is developing your bilateral coordination, and also
Yeah.
it's improving your eye hand coordination because you have to use both. So
Right.
these are a few shapes which I have made.
Hmm.
Yes, and also for little bit bigger kids, um, it you can see like it will appear ulta to you. I have
Yes.
written number 3 and 5. So
Yeah.
what they can do, you can ask your child three numbers. So what they have to put three beads here. One,
Okay.
2, and 3. Three beads.
Hmm.
Yes. So this is a very simple activity. Like you can take any plain paper. If beads are not available at your place, you can take
Hmm.
buttons or you can take colorful pom poms. So they are
Hmm.
learning counting also and they are learning number also. So this
Yeah.
is just a gift I have given you.
One of the
Rest,
one of the example from your khajana which you
yes,
use for your kids. So
yes,
this is definitely a good idea, and I want to read few questions which I guess parents are asking here. So Pooja
yes.
Saxena says my kid is in LKG. He never liked to write during his online class. What should I do? Pooja, I would appreciate if you can mention which class he studies in. And also, there was one more question here. I read Kamna. She was saying that her kid cannot get engaged during online class. So, what to do? So, this is one thing I want to ask for all the parents, Jia, because अभी कैसा है सब बच्चों को पता है कि हमारी क्लास आने वाली है सुबह का टाइम है और हमें जूम के आगे बिठा दिया जाएगा जूम क्लासेस और बच्चे वहां पर इंटरेस्ट लूज कर रहे हैं इन दैट केस वी कैन नॉट गाइड टू टीचर्स कि आप ऐसे पढ़ाइए ऐसे कराइए बिकॉज उन्हें भी बहुत सारे बच्चे मैनेज करने होते हैं सो टू ब्रिंग दैट
Right.
इंटरेस्ट व्हाट यू सजेस्ट कि पेरेंट्स को क्या करना चाहिए कि बच्चा वो रेडी होकर रहे उस क्लास के आगे ब्राइब करना चाहिए या फिर कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज में एंगेज करना चाहिए व्हाट यू सजेस्ट
Definitely, bribe is not going to work for longer time. For the time
that's
being,
what
it's okay. But yeah, but as I said earlier, if you make the activities more interesting, definitely kid is going to glue. I mean, don't give them, same thing. They get bored. Give them
hmm.
like same theme in a different manner. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको नंबर्स का बताया, so this was just one example. So just give them ice cream sticks. You have to count these ice cream sticks. So counting इसमें भी cover हो गया, right? So next time when you are giving it to kids, give it in something different manner, so that now their interest is developing. The main point is to develop their interest. And kids have this tendency like कि इस टीचर के साथ आज बहुत मजा आया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So they feel somewhere connection to that person, because coming out of their comfort zone. Preschool is a second home for them, you can say.
I guess connection is again lost with Jia, and she's trying. And let's hope that she connect again. Very informative session today she is giving, and a good idea we are getting indeed. You back? Your network goes in between. So I was talking to audible.
1 minute.
Yeah, lots of technical glitches today, I guess.
हो जाता है, ठीक है. So हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी के आगे कभी लड़ नहीं सकते हैं. So let's move on. So there is one more question here. One of the parent is asking. Sweet Simple 83. My daughter is in KG, getting stubborn day by day. Don't want to write, and how to manage that. One of the same thing which we just answered. I guess KG के बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं ये समझाने के लिए कि बैठ जाओ और पढ़ लो. इंस्टेड वो वापस उस क्लास में आए ज्वाइन करने के लिए अपनी टीचर्स को, और ये समझने की पेरेंट्स को समझना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों का जो ये फेस है बिटवीन 2 to 6 years का, वो सिर्फ अभी जो उन्हें समझ आ सकता है, जो हम लोग फीड कर सकते हैं. दैट्स द मेन थिंग आई गेस. तो वो कनेक्शन जो है.
I would like to suggest you, sorry to interrupt you, Shaluji. I would like to give one. Yeah, so every kid is different. Everyone has their own choice. So some might be interested in playing, some might be interested in listening stories. So I know these kids, like 5 years or 6 year kids, are very small. So what you can do to inculcate the habit of writing? Let's start with a story. If your kid is liking the story, or let's start with a play. So get all the toys, make him sit, make her comfortable, or make him comfortable, and keep a book also aside. So just 5 minutes, let him play. For 5 minutes, let him listen to interesting story or rhyme, and simultaneously you can get your work done. You can just give them or her a pencil. Just tell them to just do the scribbling with the colors, or just draw random lines. So slowly, when they will get the hold of that pencil, they will get the grip, and it has become interesting also, because they are listening to a story or their favorite rhyme, or they are playing. So that is definitely going to build interest in them. It will work. And setting a routine is very important, be it a toddler or to up to 6 years of age. So like eating habit भी keep in mind कि मेरा बच्चा इसी टाइम पे खाना चाहिए, मेरा बच्चा इसी टाइम पे सोना चाहिए. So that routine should be followed in preschool also. It is going to help them in a longer time. And if they are not learning virtually to share things, so mother can make them understand within the family itself, like to share things. Sharing is caring. Within the family members also they can learn. What I thought ki emotional development, social development, like while meeting with same age group child, and intellectual development with preschool give a boost to all these things. When physically it's not possible, so let's take it online, virtually. Yes, it has some limitations, but it is not impossible. That development is also
the answer to the parents who keeps on asking कि क्या जरूरी है मेरे बच्चे को प्ले ग्रुप में भेजने का, हम लोग सीधा नर्सरी में भेज देंगे. So these all developments are required at this age, so that they can be ready for the university class or for wherever, whichever class they are moving now then. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Jia, there is one question Shruti is asking, is early education and Montessori courses same?
No, though both are different actually.
Okay.
The content is almost same, but for preschool, if we'll see, Montessori is a basically way of teaching. So in
Acha.
Montessori course, you are going to learn more of that, like Montessori way of teaching. But
Okay.
in ECC8, whole thing is covered. Like all the methods of teaching are covered. So it's a
Okay.
vast, you can say, as compared to Montessori.
And how soon do you post videos on your social media, Jia? You said you post videos, right? So, like, I have seen your one or two videos. So, what is it you gap you keep in your videos?
Mostly twice or thrice a week, I keep on posting, but I make it sure I don't repeat the topic. So, like
Okay.
once in a week, I'm taking stories, then and next 2 days, I'm putting fine motor skills, then science
Hmm.
experiments also. And if one will listen to science experiments in preschool, so mother will get a shock of their life. कि मेरा बच्चा science experiment क्या करेगा? But let me
Right.
clear you this thing. As we all know, curiosity is the mother of invention, and our kiddies are always curious to know everything. So, simple daily routine things, we
Hmm.
take it as a science experiment, and from that also, you won't believe they are learning, and we are able to answer their questions.
Right.
We are building junior scientists actually.
Yeah, that's right. They are half of the time we think that they already have the answers what we think in our mind, because all thanks to television, the internet, and now the virtual classes have made everything possible. The questions, there are 500 questions I have to answer in just 2 hours, because every scene they watch, be it related to study or anything, they have queries upon that. In fact, my son keeps on asking, and I think, how does he manage to bring so many questions? How to answer them?
Okay.
I guess this is one reason why kids should be enrolled for preschool, and they should know that who is there in their class when this virtual things are happening. Zoom classes are happening for everything. Then why not preschool things? They will rather engage themselves more into activities. So you'll be conducting activities also. And what is the ratio of child and teacher in your class, Jia?
Yes, actually, I have been conducting storytelling sessions also, and different, you can say, art and craft activities also.
Hmm.
And the ratio is if you start physically school, so we keep like 5 to 1, five children in one class and
Sorry.
one teacher. So
Hmm.
same thing I am following virtually also. As I said,
Okay.
I don't want to lose connection with them. So it would
Yeah.
be very easy for me to connect with them. And the duration you can say for preschoolers, toddlers can half an hour, 45 minutes. And
Hmm.
as the age increase, the time will also increase. So it
Right.
all depends on the age also. Yes. So it's 5 to 1 is the ratio.
Jay, tell me one thing. This is the first online preschool. What you have got the concept, and how did you found it out? Because there must be definitely preschools who may be having these Zoom classes, online classes, and if you have any idea about the across India, if we talk about how to find out the good schools, what are the basic things we should look for? Online preschool is definitely thousand times different than offline. तो कैसे सर्च करना चाहिए पेरेंट्स को?
So see, now we have to accept this fact, like till the next academic year, this is the new normal. Like
Hmm.
we have to offer online or virtual preschooling and like beat any standard. So
Hmm.
if I'll tell you, there are almost 33 to 35,000 preschools in India. And
अच्छा.
if we go for brands, yes, like Kangaroo Kids is there, Treehouse is there, Kiddy is there. So there are almost 50, 60 brands also comes under
Okay.
this preschool. Yes. So
Okay.
if you want to choose a good preschool for your child, so you don't have to keep any one factor in your mind. You have to see from all the aspects. Like as you
Hmm.
are only asking about the ratio, the ratio matters
Hmm.
a lot. Whether it is
Hmm.
virtual or like physical. So
Yep.
you have
That's
to
what.
see the
Yeah.
ratio because your child is very small to समझना उसके लिए थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा. So you have to see that ratio. You have to see like what that preschool is offering it to you. What new that preschool is offering to you. Like पुराना कुछ तो नहीं follow कर रहे हैं. It should be more of playway learning method. So whether you go for brand or whether you go for any private preschool, so these are the basic factors you need, basic things you need to keep in mind while choosing preschool for your child.
Gia, I want to know that in your preschool, what would be the difference from the overhyped brands and yours, because yours is a startup. So what do you think the extra, because the connection, what you can show to the kids is later thing. What are your things you are promising to the parents that their kid will be there and settled and you will be able to manage them? What are the extra things? You must have thought something.
Yes. First, let me come to my tagline. If you see, Shaluji, Kiddies on Toes tagline says passion meets learning. Right?
Right.
So I don't see my profession as my work. So I see as my passion. So when you have passion for anything, so it automatically gives you a boost. So I have in myself, like मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये बच्चों के लिए करना है. Whatever best is for the child, I have to do. So like story telling तो हर इसमें मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है. Art and craft भी आपको हर किसी में मिलेगा. So I'm going to keep expert sessions also for parents especially. Somewhere parents are stuck. Sometimes they go blank कि नहीं, अरे मेरा बच्चा नहीं कर रहा है, मेरे बच्चे को क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. So I have some expert panel with me who can guide the parents in taking each and every step. And if I'm not wrong, I haven't seen any.
I guess with you, Gia, the important thing is passion, what you spoke just in your first line. Because if there is an entrepreneur back in the mind, thinking continuously for this startup and not focusing on the money only, because nowadays these things are happening. Wherever you go, everything is business nowadays. So in that case, when you're offering things from your comfort zone, you are making things possible for their children that they can be into the activities, they can engage themselves and learn new things specifically from teacher who they like. That would be something, a blessing for a parent, I guess. Yeah. So you are doing a fabulous job, I must say. So
thank you, Shaluji. Thank you.
Keep doing that, because we look forward to new things what are happening. And this is indeed a unique concept. I really wish that you reach to thousands of people and let them know that there is a possibility of everything we do. The concept of online teaching is not new, but the concept of preschool launch, where a child is sitting at home but still busy with the teacher and not looking at the parent. Because ऑफलाइन स्कूल में भी ये बहुत बार होता है कि बच्चा बाहर रो रहा है, अंदर क्लास में रो रहा है, या पेरेंट बाहर रो रहे हैं. That connection. Here they don't have to think about anything. They are connected to you in their comfort zone with their parents, and everything is happening just like that. What are the hours, Gia, you are giving to the students for? Is it according to the age or like how?
Yeah, like school hours you are asking me, Shaluji, how long the duration would be? Yeah, for toddlers and preschool it is going to be half an hour, 45-minute session only. Like it will be divided into 3 sessions, 15 minutes one activity, 15 minutes some other, and 15 minutes another activity. But if you see 5 to 6 years, yes, it depends on the age. Because, they can sit for a longer time. And we cannot make toddlers sit for more than half an hour or 45 minutes. So, yes, surely depends on the age.
Yeah. And also we have to make sure that they come tomorrow to attend your class. So that is your responsibility that you will be doing. Yeah.
Yes, surely. I hope not to disappoint anyone. And I'm sure about that.
That's nice to know, because that shows a confidence in the kids also, and the pattern what you are following for your children. So, Gia, this preschool is completely will be online, and you will be taking the classes, or you have some of your teachers who are connected to you. How it will be going?
No, it is, yeah, it is going to be completely online as of now, as I said, till the next academic year.
Okay.
And I will only be taking all the sessions. And I said for expert sessions, I have a panel. Rest for
Okay.
all rest of the things, I am only going to handle everything. And I would like to tell you this thing also. As soon as this everything pandemic will get over, I will start my school physically for sure. And I would
That's
like to
wonderful.
offer
That's
my,
fabulous.
yes, Kiddies on Toast franchisee too. Whoever is
Oh,
wishing to offer.
okay. So you're working out on that model also, that franchisee model. You'll be giving your
Yes,
brand name.
I have, yes. Yes, I have already registered my brand. I have already registered my school as a preschool.
That's
So everything
wonderful.
is like
Congratulations on that.
legally. So
Congratulations.
Shaluji, thanks to you. Thank you so much. Thanks to you for motivating me. So I took this courage in me to, by sitting at home, I have done this big things all because of you, I must say.
I
Thanks
really
for
want to know,
motivating
Shah,
me.
see, I have just been a mediator and I have been pushing to every mom who wants to start something. So I really want to know now, where we have discussed, you have shared the secrets, you have shared the journey, and you have shared how one can start their school. The people who are joining now can watch it later, so that they can even plan something. If they are teachers, and if not teachers, they should go with the course. And so I want to know what is the scope and what is the future you see for preschools, because वापस वही बात आ रही है कि बहुत सारी brands तो हैं, लेकिन it's just a connection. So what is the future according you see
For
of your
preschool
preschool?
to start this
Yes.
business.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very bright. You know, there is no looking back in this. It's just you need to keep some aspects in your mind. You need a proper planning. You need a proper business plan. And you need to build that connection with the kids. Yes, funds and infrastructure also plays a very important role. And
Mm.
also, if you are starting your own preschool or you're going for brand, so
Mm.
both have their pros and cons. You know, in your own preschool, you are the boss. You can take decision. You can follow your own curriculum. But if you are going for already established brand, so
Mm.
one advantage I would like to tell you, like they are already established. So you
Mm.
don't need to take much efforts in that, but you have to follow their guidelines, you have to follow their rules, and you have to follow this everything. And there is some, you know, royalty, you can say, you have to pay to them yearly or student basis. It depends on
Right.
school to school. But one thing is for sure, whether you start your own preschool or you go for any brand, there is no looking back, because education is such sector. Day by day, you know, demand is increasing. कि कोई ऐसा पेरेंट नहीं है जो चाहेगा कि मेरा बच्चा घर पे बैठे. तो जैसे
Right.
बच्चे बढ़ रहे हैं, प्री स्कूल की भी डिमांड बढ़ रही है. So if one
Right.
want to, you know, is very curious to impart knowledge, because
Mm.
knowledge बांटने से बढ़ता है, as I
Right.
feel. So
Right.
even still, I'm in the learning process only. So I would suggest to all those moms who are willing to opt for this noble profession, like this is the time, this is the golden opportunity to grab.
Right. And one more thing comes in mind when we talk about any business. Most of these schools, I will not point it out all these schools, but yet most of these schools, when we see, are have become actually have become the money making institutions. So are you targeting the money, or your focus is the connection, or your focus is to reach out the kid? What is your target? I know the answer, but still for viewers I'm asking.
Yeah, Shaluji, if you see, I'm going to share this, that if you see the fees part, definitely is going to be on very lower part as compared to
Yes.
other preschools, because I believing in imparting knowledge, following my passion and connecting to the kids. And this is just not for saying. You will definitely, whoever will connect to me, they are going to see it practically also. It's not a business kind of thing. it's following my passion. So yes, definitely fees is not there in my mind. I'm
Well
not
done.
into that business
Nice.
making trend.
You are taking admissions, Gia, as of now. Are you accepting the admissions for the new session for preschoolers?
Yes, Shaluji, sure. Within a couple of days, I'm going to post this on my page also. I am going to start admissions from preschool till senior KG.
Okay, and also you take the individual sessions if some parents want some storytelling
Yes,
sessions, or if anybody wants any different session from you, the activity sessions, something.
yes, yes. Yes, sure,
Okay.
sure, Shaluji. If one is not opting for, put their child in preschool, they just want to engage in storytelling session or art
Yes.
and craft or gym or yoga session. So I
Hmm.
have batches for that also. They can DM me to know more. Like I can give them
So what
only
is the
storytelling session also. Or
okay? So what is the quick way to reach if anybody wants to reach you? We will definitely mention your Kiddies on Toes numbers in the session when we finish this. What are the other ways to reach you, or to reach you through email or your Facebook page?
they can directly DM me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is there on my page. So they can directly connect me through that. And
Okay.
other sources are also there, as you all know. Yeah.
I guess it's indeed an informative session what we had today, Gia, and I am glad that people are liking it. The viewers have actually commented that they liked your videos and the ideas what you shared. This was really icebreaker because not everyone believes in sharing the ideas to other entrepreneurs or to other moms who want to start any business. So good to have a like-minded people in my Instagram live series, Gia. Thanks a lot for coming and sharing all the best knowledge you have.
Thank you, Shaluji, for having me here. Thank
It
you
was
so
indeed
much.
a good
I'm glad to be my same here, Shaluji. Take care. See ya.
take care. We'll see you sometime again soon, Gia. Take care. Good night.
Yes, sure, sure, Shaluji. Take care. Bye. Good night. Take care.
So this was a session by Gia Gyanchandani, who then stopped dreaming and she started dreaming and she made it happen. She literally loved sharing the ideas and the concept behind she had uh, throughout these years. And this is the message I want to give everyone. अगर आपका कुछ भी ड्रीम है तो प्लीज उसे फॉलो कीजिए. It's very important to keep dreaming, and it's really important for you to do something in life. When I talk people, I tell them sitting idle is not going to benefit you, so you must do something. Your parents must have their dreams when they were giving you good schooling, so you should keep this thing in mind, and whenever you dream, be sure that you follow your dream, because following dream is life. With this note, I want to give message to all the small scale entrepreneurs or to be entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, that start with somewhere. Yes, don't think कैसे होगा, ये सोचिए हमें आगे करना क्या है. अगर आपने ये सोच लिया है, so life becomes really meaningful for you, for your family, for your kids, and everyone around. That's the only way you can bring positivity in life, and that's the only way you can walk on the way you have actually dreamt of. That's the best way to live your life. With this note, I would like to take leave. We'll see you once again next Friday with one more mother having her experience and the discussions on Instagram Live series. Till then, take care, stay blessed, bye, stay safe, stay healthy. Love you all.